Well, it's time to undo. No, it's time to unbox the new Apple iPhone 12 Pro. How can you do this? The plastic, the box is small. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Oh. Take a deep breath. Unblocking and unlocking and unwrapping the latest, the new iPhone 12 Pro. What's in the box? Everything is gone small and narrow and slim, just like the phone. Whoa. Here's the unlock. What can I say? You all know. Log into apple.com to know exactly the tech, spec, prices, and what you can do and what you can't do with this gadget of 2020. It was all new, all brand new. I presume for people to give me a thumbs down, I'm going to push the button and not talk anything about it. I can't even switch it on. Should I hold it this way? Can you see? Oh! The Apple phone is on. USB-C. You need to have the latest computer or a laptop. Hello! And you need to have, it's a lightning. Hello, folks. Hello, Apple. Hello, world. Hello to a very different world. The new iPhone has come to be in the most uncertain times in our life. I hope just as you upgrade your iPhone, that you also enhance and upgrade your knowledge, your consciousness, and your gentleness and your awareness of life. Ciao. There we go. You can give me thumbs down, thumbs up. You can give me all kinds of comments. Whatever you do, this is just plastic, aluminium, metal, and piece of powerful and incredible and sophisticated gadgetry. Yet, don't forget that you, as a human being, is the most evolved, neurologically, psychologically evolved, most sophisticated, and the most complex machine and gadgetry that you could find on the planet. Before you upgrade to this and unbox this, unbox the potential that you, the I, that is you, the I, is enhanced and upgraded and conscious and responsible moving forward in this year of 2020. Thank you for watching the unboxing of iPhone 12 Pro. Specs, text, information is all on Apple website for you to know. I don't need to go through and explain as to what it is. My explanation is simple. Give more attention to the eye before the phone, because you're the most sophisticated gadget on the planet.